We're walking in what used to be Cairo's main road, no? As narrated by the interpreter, no one can walk in this road except high officials. But now becomes a commercial center, tourist destination, where we delegates from World Urban Forum. So we're walking in, he said, what used to be main road of Cairo during the old times. Probably during the times when the Ottoman used to rule, no, this country. Even the pavement is use of old, very pebbled, old stones, bricks.
شباب مش هاكلها انا هاكلها مش هاكل والله
As narrated by our tour guide, this used to be an old main road of Cairo. Monuments of Al Muisid and Ala Street. Okay.